Join me today as we draw the Avengers logo with some salt. Wish me luck. Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today I want to create some art with some salt, and we're going to use this everyday happy-go-lucky salt shaker to draw the Avengers logo. And this is because in our previous video we did the 10-minute painting of Thanos, and we must avenge this guy for his destructive ways and his vicious malcontent. He really needs a cup of hot tea, I think, and perhaps a little bit of exercise. So join me in the cards above and together we'll bring back balance to the Marvel Universe. What do you guys think? Did we restore order in the Marvel Universe? Let me know. And I'm also going to leave a card up above because this is part of an ongoing salty superhero series. So let me know which superhero logo you would like to see next. My name is Kitslam and I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos and I'll see you in the next one.